Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I am going to remove this makeup. Also, I'm going to talk about some of the products that I have been loving. So let's get started with the video. First, I'm starting with removing my eyelashes, then I'm removing my lens. It is very important for you guys to remove your lens before removing your makeup. So next up, I am using a makeup remover. This is by Bella Vita and I have already reviewed this on my channel. You can check out the review. This is an oil-based makeup remover. I'm taking it on a cotton pad. It helps to remove waterproof makeup and cleans my skin very nicely. So next up, I am using my Glam face wash. It is a foam cleanser. It is a gel-based formula cleanser. It helps to remove makeup and dirt. It also gives that iridescent glow, which I absolutely love. Now I like to apply this on my damp skin and massage it for a few seconds. It can be used daily and it is suitable for all skin types. Next up, I am using this PAK Deep Exfoliating Peel Off. It is a chemical exfoliator. It exfoliates dead skin, deep cleanses the pores, and it gives you instant glow. Now I like to apply a little bit product and massage this on my skin very nicely for 30 to 40 seconds. So another important thing is you have to use this over clean and dry skin, not over makeup. It's not a makeup remover, it is a chemical exfoliator. So you just apply it and massage it for a few seconds. It is very mild on the skin, suitable for all skin types. This makes my skin soft, smooth and bright. Now next up, I'm using the L'Oreal Micro Crystal Essence. It is very lightweight and hydrates the skin. Also, I really like the glow it gives and I have a review video of this on my channel, so do check it out. So lastly, I'm using this Bridal Glow Night Serum by Glam Aroma. It prevents breakouts, repairs the skin, improves skin texture and gives that healthy looking glow. I absolutely love this. It is very lightweight. So guys, that is it. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you guys on my next video. Bye.